Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2003 Honda VTX1800. This bike's a hoss. It's got an 1800cc liquid-cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. Nice orange paint. Everything looks nice and clean on it. Did notice it has a couple little rock pecks up here on the front fender. Had a set of driving lights added to it, and the pinstriping on the fender tank, back on the rear fender. Tank looks nice on it. A little paint. Got a set of highway pegs here, engine guard, upgraded Cobra floorboards, Vance & Hines exhaust, set of hard molded bags there. Got a few scuffs on the bags. Passenger and rider backrest and luggage rack. Good tire on the rear. Shaft drive bike. Got the extra chrome down there on the drive part. This right here, I'm not sure what that is. That must be some lights. Little light switch came on. What that is. Turn the key on and see if we see anything. Not see it. Oh yeah, I can see a reflection here. It does have lights under there. Got the pinstriping up here on the tank. This bike is showing 96,333 miles. That's just hard to believe. Upgraded hand grips. Fires right off, and engine sounds good and tight. Like maybe a tiny little rock peck right there. Bike looks really good. I'm just not sure about those miles. That's a lot of miles, it seems like, but if it's true mileage on this bike, somebody sure knew how to take care of one. Anyway, you can call our sales team if you're interested in this bike, learn more about it. Toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.